project manager. First is leadership and teamwork. Leadership skill. He inspires and motivates the team, sets a clear vision, and leads by example. Team building skills. Fosters collaboration, encourages knowledge sharing, and works to bring a cohesive and productive team. Delegation effectively assigns tasks to the team, trusting them to complete their work without micromanaging. Communication and intrapersonal skills. Communication skills clearly communicates project goals, expectations, and updates to all the stakeholders. Active listening pays close attention to team members and stakeholders, ensuring all voices and heard are understood. Negotiations can effectively negotiate and influence others to achieve project goals. Conflict resolution addresses conflicts and issues within the team constructively. Strategic and analytical skills. Problem solving skills identifies issues, anticipates risks, and develops creative solutions to keep projects on track. Risk management proactively identifies potential risks and develops mitigation strategies. Big picture thinking maintains a strategic understanding of the project's objective and how they align with larger organizational goals. Decision making make clear, informed, and timely decisions under pressure.